Hi guys, you all are welcome back to my channel Yash Official, and I know after a long time we are meeting. So today I am back with another video. This is a gift video I've prepared. Two gifts. Actually it would be three, but I can't make the third gift, so I've given a brief description for you. Actually I've prepared this for Mother's Day for my mother, but you can multiplize this to any other various functions. And I also have an important announcement, so please be with the last. So let's get started.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Lost in your maze.
So guys, I hope you'd love this video. I've did a lot of efforts to make this, so please give it a lot of likes and shares. So the announcement is that thought that I've told you at the starting of the video that I'll prepare only DIYs and art and craft and cooking, but no, I've thought that we need a lot of things to make the channel more interesting. So I have thought to take up some to make more contents. Like I've taken up challenges, recreations to recreation from other channel, testing viral things. Then I've also decided to take up testing hacks, experiments, preparing a lot of different content, every content I want to try. So I'll make that for you. I'll do a lot of possible actions. I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.